After witnessing a beautiful sunset in Maafushi Island, I decided to go out for a stroll. This is the hotel right in front of Arena Beach Hotel. This is a souvenir shop. Look how beautiful it is. Here's another shopping mart and third one, three in a row. Then you have all the shops that sell clothes and souvenirs like this one. Here's another restaurant. I think it's Indian. And most of the places also sell excursions like this one. Another souvenir shop. And this one too. And this is how the road is in Maafushi. And these are different restaurants near Kani and Arena Beach hotels. They have this macaw at this restaurant and they also have a lot of exotic birds as pets. So found an Indian restaurant. I think I'll go and check out some of the dishes from here. So these are the prices of items in this Indian restaurant. First I ordered a masala chai, it was damn good. Then I got tomato rice, it was damn delicious too. All the items in this hotel are damn good. My final item was lemon rice and it was damn good too. I just love all the items in this hotel. You can definitely try out this hotel when you're in Maafushi Island. So the total came around 12 US dollars.
Morning guys, day 3 in Maldives, and this morning I have a pleasant surprise. Let me show you.
My day 3 breakfast in Maldives. Some dates, roti, dal curry, yogurt, and of course chocos with milk. So I took a final look at the Bikini Beach before moving out of this island. And I'm leaving Maafushi Island right now, walking to the boat pier. The hotel arranged the transfer to the Gulhi Island. That is where I'm going next. I just want to keep exploring all the local islands. It's been an amazing time at Maafushi. The beaches, the excursions. Possibly I'll come back and do a few more excursions. But now, time to leave and explore something new. Also, this island is a bit touristy. So if you're not a fan of huge crowds, it's not for you. But if you're okay with it, if you're okay with all the convenience that comes with it, then yeah. So the boat just dropped me at Gulhi. I'm in Gulhi now. I'm looking to find my hotel and check into it. I reached pretty early. It's because the speedboat starts early in the morning. They're taking people to the airport. It just took like some 10 minutes from Maafushi to Gulhi. So that's really great. And on the way to my hotel, there's a lot of construction going on. So I'm walking to the Ayala hotel. These are like some untouched streets of Maldives. Also, it's cloudy today. Thank you so much for watching. In the next vlog, I'll take you to one of the most beautiful beaches in Maldives, which is in Gulhi Island. So stay tuned for my next Maldives adventure. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!